Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Stella Live, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a Halloween haul, my first Halloween haul of the season. I do want to let you guys know it's not very big at all. I'm trying to control myself with spending this year because I already have a lot of Halloween decor pieces, especially from last year, and a lot of the items that I have had that I've accumulated over the years don't really get used. I might do a video of me going through my Halloween items and trying to decide what I want to get rid of. I don't know, let me know if you're interested in watching that. But I thought about doing that. Anyways, I have like 5 or 6 items. I have 6 items to show you guys. One of them is not a Halloween decor item, but it is Halloween-ish. And I also ordered 2 things on Amazon, and I will talk about them towards the end of the video. But I'll probably, when I receive those items in the mail, I'll probably do another Halloween haul and include those items so I can give you a review on them. Alright, so the first thing that I have is this, the Witch Coloring Book. And I found this at JoAnn Fabrics. And this was $10.99, and I just thought the pages in here were super fun. I think there's some like skulls and stuff. I really want to get back into coloring, and this just seems right up my alley. I love almost all of the pictures in here. So yeah, I purchased this. Again, not really a Halloween decor item, but it looks fun. The next item that I purchased is this skull, and let me talk about this for a minute. I also purchased, everything I got was at JoAnn Fabrics, unless I say otherwise. The last 3 items that I'll talk about are not from JoAnn's, but this is from JoAnn's. And this was $19.99, but it was 40% off. And I got this yesterday, and I was debating on getting it because when I did my JoAnn's video, my last video that I uploaded, I went to the store, I show you the items, I give you the prices. I didn't realize the eyes. That looks like a hot mess. I was telling my daughter I didn't know if I wanted to get it anymore, but I really love this little sun on the back. So I was like, you know what? I can live with the messed up eye sockets. Maybe I can fix them. I'm not sure how to go about fixing them, but yeah, I ended up getting it just because I really loved this part of the skull, and I could use this as an all year round piece. I love collecting skulls. I'm really upset about this, guys. I'm on the hunt for a new realistic looking skull this year because my son picked this one up and he broke the chin. It's not too bad, but yeah, I want to get a new one of these. And then I also broke a skull this morning. I'll put a picture right here of the skull that I broke. So that was also upsetting. I was like, I'm breaking all my Halloween pieces, or my everyday decor pieces, I should say. Anyways, the next item that I have to show you, I'll go ahead and show you this. See, I'm trying to break more things. The next item that I have, oh my gosh, this is kind of, oh my god, this is hilarious. Almost all the items are skulls. Okay, so I found this planter at JoAnn's. I have another JoAnn's video coming out. I said that really weird. I have another JoAnn's video coming out, but it's not that exciting. It's like their craft stuff. I didn't show their craft stuff last year, but I figured I'd do it this year. But I found this planter, and the inside is like it's like finished. I don't know what it's called. There's a glaze on the inside, but there's no drainage hole, and I was not gonna get it because there was no drainage hole, but then I was like, I could just like stick a plastic plant in there. I could stick a plastic plant in there, or I could stick a plastic pot in it and then yeah. So this was $10.99, and I don't think this was 40% off. Also, while I'm talking about this, I recently just did a DIY on my channel. It is a Dollar Tree DIY. I'll put the picture right here if you are interested in making it, and then I will leave the link down below. And then the next item that I have to show you is another skull. So this item again was purchased from JoAnn's, and this was $39.99, but again it was 40% off. And when I saw this online, I actually thought the skull was going to be hollow and I could like stick things in there, but it actually has a little light on the inside and it lights up red. I usually will do like a video of the skull lit up, of whatever I'm hauling lit up at night, just so you can see what it looks like. So I will insert a clip on the screen, but yeah, I went ahead and bought it, even though I was a little bit disappointed that there was a light in here. I think I could still stick a few things in there, like something small, I don't know. Yeah, I thought this was cool, so I got that. And then the next item that I have to show you, I actually ordered on Amazon, and it again is a skull. It is these bookends. How many times can I say actually? I got these a few weeks ago, but I wanted to share them because I think they are so cool. They are very heavy weighted. They are a very quality. They're a good quality. I don't remember how much I paid for these, but again, I got them on Amazon, and if you are interested in them, I will leave the link below. So the very last item that I have with me physically is this witch silhouette. It is a metal witch silhouette that you can stake into the ground, and I figured I would do a witchy themed yard this year. I'm not sure exactly what else I'm going to do, but this was $79.99, and again it was 40% off. It is a little bit pricey, but I don't know if I saw this last year or not, but I don't think it lasted in the store very long if it was there. I feel like I might have seen this, but I can't remember. Anyways, the next thing that I wanted to talk about is this item. And this is something that I found on Etsy. It is a little bit expensive, but I do like to support small businesses. So I purchased this item, and I'm probably not going to get that until the end of the month because it's made to order. Excuse me, I just had a little coughing attack. Anyways, I'm not sure when I'll get it, but I think more towards the end of the month, and I will obviously do a haul and a review when I get it in. And then the very last thing I want to talk about are these bats. And I bought some bats last year from Big Lots, but there wasn't that many in the package. And I was thinking that I would put these bats on the outside of my house because they're supposed to be weather durable. So I figured I'd put them on the house, and I would put the witch pretty close to the house as well. I don't know how well it's going to work out, but I'll figure it all out. Also, I will put a video clip in right now because I forgot to tell you that I would do that. So I'll put a video clip of the witch out in the yard right here. Anyways, that is all that I have to show you. I know it wasn't a lot, but I really want to start uploading more. And unfortunately, the only store that has put Halloween stuff out near me is JoAnn's. But if you do want to see some JoAnn's items, you can check out my last video. Again, I will either put it up here or I'll link it down below because I'm not sure if I know how to do this. Hopefully I can figure it out. But anyways, once they start putting things out at HomeGoods and Marshalls and TJ Maxx, I will probably go in there. However, that will be slightly different than my normal walkthroughs because normally I like to go in and give close-ups of the products and I like to give prices, but with HomeGoods and Marshalls and TJ Maxx, it's really overwhelming because it's not like a bunch of items set out and it's just scattered all over the store. So it's just way too, it's just way too overwhelming to do it in those stores. Anyways, that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I hope to see you guys all next time. Bye!